How does what a golfer says to themselves before they take a putt influence their performance? So what we did is we had 3 different conditions. In condition 1, the golfer just takes 15 putts and we just leave them to themselves to have whatever thoughts they would normally have around those putts. In condition 2, they got to choose one of 2 envelopes. So we were blinded to the envelopes. We didn't know which envelope they were going to pick or what was in each envelope. In one envelope, there were rational statements, and these rational statements were things like, it's really important to sink this putt, but I don't have to. It's bad not to sink it, but it's not terrible. So real rational language that we've been researching for a while now. In the other envelope was irrational language, so I have to sink this putt, it'd be the end of the world if I didn't, I'm such an idiot if I fail. And then they came back again and we reversed the envelope, so they then did the other condition. So if they did rational first, they did irrational second. What we found is that when they putted using rational statements, I would like to sink this putt, but I don't have to, they perform better than when they use the irrational. So these are the same participants performing under pressure, using different types of self-talk. When they used irrational, they didn't see any increases from baseline. They got no better or no worse. But the key finding was that in the rational self-talk condition, they actually improved their performance by around 60%. So it's actually quite significant.